Hi. The last time on Western Roundup, we were in Westmoreland. Today we head to Sam Sharp Square in St. James, where the Ministry of Health launched its Mask Up Before You Talk Up campaign. Then we hop over to Mount Salem, where a new police station will be built. And finally we head to Flanker, where we take a quick look at the Caribbean Military Academy. Stay with us. We'll be right back.
We are here, the members of the St. James Public Health Services, basically just reinforcing the protocols of COVID-19. We are imploring everyone here to maintain your physical distancing, to ensure that you wear your mask, you sanitize, and you wash your hands as much as possible. Bear in mind that COVID-19 has no respect of anyone, right? Everyone can catch COVID-19. So we have to be careful, we have to play our part.
That's right. We must play our part, and that is why the Ministry of Health and Wellness has taken its Mask Up Before You Talk Up coronavirus COVID-19 prevention campaign to Montego Bay.
And basically what we're saying to all of Jamaica, before you allow anybody to talk to you during the season, or before you talk to anybody, put on your mask or demand that that person put on their mask. It doesn't matter whether they are a relative, a close friend, because the truth is, this is one sure way to prevent the spread of the coronavirus.
The campaign is focused on getting members of the public to wear protective gear during the upcoming festive season. It is the latest component of government's response program aimed at curtailing the spread of the virus. Stakeholders are reporting that the zone of special operation that has been ongoing in Mount Salem, St. James since 2017 has been a tremendous success.
Some of the results which I would like to share with you briefly this morning, and I speak to over the last 3 years, an improvement in the basic utilities, including the regularization of water. So we have been able, in partnership with the National Water Commission, to bring regularized water supply to more than 500 households. We have been able, with the National Works Agency, to rehabilitate 4,000 meters of roads, working with the Ministry of Housing, the installation of 1,300 meters of zinc fence removal, working with the Heart Trust NTA, skills training for over 200 youths, working with the National Solid Waste Management Agency on solid waste management, the Public Health Department on vector control, and the delivery of 200 care packages, working in partnership with private sector as in the PSOJ, the St. James Police Station, and of course, without fail, the Mount Salem CDC. We've also provided grant support for small businesses in the community and strengthen the community governance.
It is for this reason the project to build a new police station in Mount Salem is being lauded by both stakeholders and residents alike.
This police station, the reflection of where we have reached in the development process, in the build phase, that once we move out the special operations of security in Mount Salem, there'll be a first-class police station, fully staffed, fully equipped, with men who will be in present to ensure that there will be public safety and good order in Mount Salem, on which the people of Mount Salem, the human resources, can build, operate in safety, operate in a quality environment, and will develop both business and human resources parallel to this.
The construction of the facility is being spearheaded by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JSIF, and is being funded by the European Union at a cost of $45 million. Finally, the Cornwall Automotive Training Institute in Flanker, St. James has been officially renamed the Caribbean Military Academy, CMA. The renaming is in keeping with efforts to diversify and expand the engagement of the Jamaica Defence Force, JDF, and the Heart NSDA Trust.
There is also a sense of excitement and expectancy as we anticipate a greater synergy in our relationship with the JDF, as well as the increased number of unattached youth to be engaged in apprenticeship-type programs technical skills training, and the Jamaica National Service Corps program.
The Academy, which is the academic institutional arm of the JDF, will have training for local personnel who will be doing both military and technical skills through the Jamaica National Service Corps. Training programs to be offered include heavy equipment operation, electrical installation, and other vocational programs. And that's it for today. As usual, thanks for watching Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Until next time, send us your feedback at gismobe.gov.jm.